for your child to do this activity, use what you have around the house. Here is a shower ring. Just push the shower ring through your Play-Doh, and they have that shape. All you need to do is cut it out and put it to the side. Here is the top of the Play-Doh. Hey, there you go. Put it through. You can not cut that out, but you can take that apart, okay? Another thing that you can do here, let's go ahead and flatten our Play-Doh out again. This here, we all have cool cell phone covers, and sometimes those cell phone cover embellishments come off. So this came off. So what am I going to do? I'm going to do an impression of it. And I'm going to take that impression out. There we go. We just created our own Eiffel Tower, right? Okay. We all have keys. So here is one of my keys. So let's go ahead and do an impression of a key. Take it out. So again, the purpose of this activity is for your toddler to use items that you already have laying around the house and find a different activity to do with some existing Play-Doh that you may have laying around the house. So all you need to buy is just Play-Doh if you don't already have it, and it's only $1. I hope this video was beneficial to you. Hopefully you found something new that you can incorporate with your child for arts and craft, or just to have a fun-filled day. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. Until we speak again, see you in another video.